Hello guys, welcome to my review channel. Today I'll be unboxing and giving you a quick overview of this product. It's a DIZO smartwatch 2. I got this during the sale for 2000 rupees and I got it in the gold and ivory white color. Now let's take it out of the box. It's basic packaging. As you can see, MRP written is 4000 rupees. Color is ivory white. Basically there's nothing in the box except for the watch and a magnetic charging cable. Let's take out the plastic film. A few basic features are written on the side of the box. For this price point, I would say the packaging is quite good and looks premium. Now on picking up, the first feel is the watch weight is kind of light, which is good because if you're wearing it every day you won't feel that much weight on your hands. Now underneath you have the magnetic charging cable included, no charger though. It's a USB type A to dual magnetic pin. The magnet seems strong like neodymium magnets. And here you have the basic user manual with how to set up quick startup guide. And on the back side you have warranty card as well as the privacy policies. Now if you take a look at the watch, it almost looks like the infamous Apple Watch, and for this price point I would say it's a very good looking watch. The body of the watch is made of metal and it's gold plated, and the silicone straps are kind of flexible and soft, so definitely it feels premium. uh, at front you have a 1.69-inch LCD display with a backlight LED, and the maximum brightness is 600 nits claimed by the company. On top of it you have fully 2.5D curved Gorilla 3 Corning Gorilla 3 glass protection, so it gives you a certain amount of scratch resistance, and it is rated for 5 meters underwater rating. I tried pressing the button, it's not turning on. Maybe it needs to be uh, plugged into the charger. Now the charger goes in one way. If you put it in the wrong way, the magnet will not connect. Now on first boot up, you'll always see this QR code. You have to download the DIZO app on your Android or Apple smartphone and install it. And on installation, it will ask for some basic details, but there's always option for using the guest mode. Otherwise you might as well use their registered email service. Now you have to allow this device to access your phone storage and other things, and as well as GPS location. Now scan the QR code and it will automatically pair. I'll be going in detailed review, and in another video I'll show you all the pros and cons of this device. You have got quite a lot of languages to select from. Now at first looks, it looks really nice, bright and crisp. You may not be able to see that in the video, but in person it really looks nice. People say the resolution is low and it's pixelated, but it's nothing like that. Uh, if you scroll up, you'll get the scroll down menu. If you scroll from down, down, you'll get the notification bar. Scroll towards the left, you'll get the quick toggle buttons, wake up wrist, torch, then setting button, all that. This is a nifty feature if you're in a dark room or there's power cut at night, so you can always use your watch to find way. And by the way, the watch has like few default faces preloaded into it, and this is the grid menu view. Anyway guys, I'll be doing an in-depth review. Please subscribe to my channel.